Hi everyone, it's always nice to meet you in a new episode of our Gold Price Weekly Forecast goal today. Before getting through our video, just let me take your attention to the fact that we do have a full free Telegram room where you can just subscribe to that room and receive an update on the gold market and so many other markets, including indices and cryptos. Moving on to the gold performance, on the last trading session of Friday, gold spot printed a closing price little above $1,973 per ounce. Numbers rounded as the market is closed, and gold traded as low as $1,939 per ounce and as high as $1,981 per ounce on the last week. Now gold is trading in a bull trend. It's trading above its all daily simple moving averages, and from a technical standpoint, it's completely bullish. For the RSI readings, it's moderate on all the charts, and there is no worry on this front. Moving on to the supports are located at 1960, then at 1945, then 1910, and the resistance levels at 1990, 1980, $2,010, and $2,070, the all-time high. The pivot on the weekly chart at 1964 and the last trading session at 1971. That's all for numbers. We move on now to the credit. On the economic calendar for the coming weekend from the United States, the markets are waiting for the building permits and the housing starts on Monday, then with the Philly Fed manufacturing index and Fed Powell speech on Thursday, and the manufacturing PMI and other PMIs to be released on Friday. That's all. We'll move on now to the trading strategy. Hi again, it's always nice to meet you in a new episode of our Gold Price Weekly Forecast Gold today. If you are new for this part of the video, just let me guide you how we are doing the things here. We are going to start with a quick recap, then we will examine the US dollar chart since gold is priced mainly in the US dollar, and we will see the gold chart and we will arrive at the most suitable trading idea. For a recap, on our last video, we have been expecting that gold is going to rally since we are above the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern, and we expected that gold is going to rally, then that will have a massive sell-off up to 1870. We got a little of this and little of that. Yeah, we got a little rally, then a little sell-off, and the market closed somewhere not far from where it started. Starting with the US dollar chart, the US dollar is bullish, as I have been saying for almost a year, but now you have to be at attention because you are arriving nearby a very crucial area, 103. We are like about 1.2 or 2.2 figures away from that level, which is the high of the pre-COVID levels, or the COVID levels on March 2020. This level most likely will mark the end of the US dollar rally. The US economy is facing troubles as well, okay, and this market became very much overbought. So you have to be at attention. Now, how this will affect gold, we are going to talk about it later. Now, for gold, gold is priced against the US dollar. Sure, it will benefit when the US dollar sells off if the US dollar tops. But you have to understand that the US dollar has a little, not even a little, you're taking maybe a 2 or 3 figures priced in like a safe haven currency because of the situation with Russia and so many other worries in the world. So if the US dollar is going to sell off, gold will sell off alongside with it. So focusing on gold, since it closed above 1965, which is the neckline of this big head and shoulder. You see the right shoulder, and this is the head, and the left shoulder is not appearing actually, but this is a head and shoulder, and we closed above the neckline of it. Basically, we are going to continue, I believe, up to 2000. This area will create a significant impulse, and I think the market will reserve from there, 2000 to 2010. So it's a buy up to 2000, 2010, then it's a sell up to 1877, even little lower. Now this market and all the markets actually, they are experiencing volatile, let's say, swings. So you better play a smaller lot size and stick to a use of stop loss. That's all for me for this week. Thank you guys for watching our video, and thank you for being with us. Please share, like, and subscribe, and look for the link of the Telegram room and the description of this video. Thank you again, and I will hopefully see you in the coming week in another video.